So I pinched my saw the other day, and I'm honestly not sure I can fix it. But Larry is extremely busy right now. He's trying to do some repairs and wire my Jeep. So I watched some YouTube videos, and I'm gonna see what I can do. I might make it worse, I don't know. We have had so much rain here. We took those 2 trees down, the last, I guess it was 2 videos, and it has just rained and rained since then. I kind of feel like Ohio Woodburner. Was glad to see he got some decent weather. Supposed to be nice here for the next 3 days, so we'll see. Now, I think what the heck is going on? All right. I doubt very much is the problem. It just needed to be cleaned. I probably screwed it up. I got it pinched when I was cutting, and I had the wood in the air with a grapple, and I pinched it. doubt if that did it. The best I can do is things like clean it. Unbelievable. I got it running. Unbelievable. Okay. Well, that'll be good news. I won't even have to tell Larry I broke it. This is one of my drying areas. The sun comes through here and dries this extra after I've split it. This is a mixture. This has been here about 3 weeks, I guess. I'll move it today over here. Generally, I slide it into the bucket and then pull the tractor over here and just dump it. But I have the grapple on and I don't want to take it off. So this is all my regular, firewood, campwood wood. It's a mixture. That's the maple. And this is my smoking wood. I don't like to split too much too early because if you're truly smoking it, it should have some moisture. And this is the rest of my just oak and hickory that I use for smoking wood. Down below, I have pine. It's been undercover there for about, 8 months to a year. I think we used the blue tongs to get that for me. Yeah, down there by the bridge ravine. I'll probably start splitting more of everything here soon. Honestly, I need another tote right over there just to put smoking wood in to keep it separate. Well, let me get to work. almost fixed. We have a ton of wood that we need to process. We watched her listen at the ground and pull a mole up. Daisy's found one of the tunnels. No groundhogs will come back in here and fight with her. We'll just let her relax here. So, I had a, I'm not, had a rust spot that he plated, and he took the seat out and reinforced it, and he put the rubberized stuff on, but I wanted the red paint because it was already red painted. I'm going to see if I can get some kind of sound deafening stuff, and hopefully that'll be taken care of and I can get it back on the road.